Ooh, look. Let's see what Santa's UPS sleigh brought me. Let's see what's in here. Yep. That's what it is. Multi-process MIG TIG and Stick. DC. I didn't want to go for the extra money for the AC because I don't see myself welding much aluminum, and if I do, I'll just get a spool gun. MotoCheez shop got a new welder. Definitely gonna need a welding cart. Buttons feel pretty cool. Not bad. There's my old dinosaur and my plasma. I'm gonna miss not having that long torch, that's for sure. It's a little bit bigger than I thought. I thought it was gonna be about the same size as my plasma. It's actually put together pretty nicely. Looks like it's all set up for gas welding. Well, looks like I'll be off to Harbor Freight, unless maybe Home Depot has a nice welding cart. Something I could put both of these on. Not a bad little setup though. I think this one's the one. That one's too cheap. Right? 25 inches? Because that 25 inches, that thing's to be hanging out over there. So I'd have to modify the hell out of it. Yeah, 25 inches will go to there. But I can do something with the handle. The plasma's 15 inches high, so I could take the bottom drawer and that thing out, and then have two top drawers still. I think that's the way to go. That's the one. So after looking online and seeing what was available locally, I ended up going with the Harbor Freight cart.
Why do you do that?
I don't know. Yeah, this is built so much better than that other little cart. That little cart, that thing would have been sticking off of it like a foot. This one's got to come out. I'm going to have to cut the back open and everything, because that's got to have air flow through.
Yeah.
This is still going to even be long for that. It might sit on top of this bar. Oh, look at that. We didn't do that, did we?
I saw it when we put it on here. I didn't see it beforehand, but I wasn't looking.
Oh, it's broken. Send it back. China, China, China.
Yeah, it says China right on it.
Wow, look at that.
Jeez. Got an extra link in there.
What the hell is going on there? It's like one of them. That's a Chinese puzzle. I think that'll work, huh? I may end up putting a piece across there, screwed. I don't know.
What the hell does this do?
They're for the dividers in the drawer.
Sell it?
What? That one?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm gonna fix it up, clean it up, and sell it. Look how little it is.
Yeah, why does that not come out?
I think that's it. That's it. This one's.
Why would they do that?
That's where they save the money, I guess. Why would they do that? That's a good question. That's a good question. I guess I gotta take that down and see where I gotta cut the hole in the back of this. Yeah, or make rectangular holes. There. And the hose is right there, so that's alright. There. Well, a lot smaller than that. Well, it's all set up. And the wires are a little shorter than I'm used to, but that's alright. Let's see what she does. Shabby. Just gonna have to figure out how this thing works. Yeah, let's see how that works. So if I do synergic welding and it's steel, I got 030. This seems low. Oh, amps. Woo! Yeah, baby. I see. Wow. I see. Oh yeah. Huh. There you go. Boy, this thing welds nice. Well, it's going to take some playing. I like it. I like it a lot. Not a bad little welder. Let's see how I got the thermodynamics plasma cutter in there.
There's no tungsten.
No.
There's gotta be. How could there not?
No tungsten. Guess I'll try to stick. If I would have known that, I would have picked some up last night. 70 to 120 amps.
I'm reading the parts.
Yeah.
The tungsten is customer supply.
Ah.
So the quantity is 0. So it don't come with tungsten.
It's been probably 15 years since I've welded stick. Oh yeah, I'm burning up through now. Yeah, baby.
Blow a hole in it.
Wow, it's kind of thin. I did blow a hole through it. So what?
Leave me alone.
Leave me alone. Woo! Sparks everywhere. But it works. Let's chip the slag and see what a good weld we did.
Holy Jesus. What is that? What the fuck is that?
I should have used something thicker anyway. The gun is negative and the ground is positive on TIG. I don't know what I'm doing. It's gonna take some practice. It should be 100% argon for steel.
Steel and aluminum, yeah.
Oh. Alright, so I'm gonna need a little bit of work on my TIG welding. I also have to pick up a bottle of pure argon. But all in all, I just want to make sure all the accessories worked on the welder. Pretty happy with it. I'll be happier when I know how to TIG a lot better. That's for sure. Thanks for watching.
What do you think?
I don't know. It's like it's not hot enough.